Click the bell icon to get latest videos from Ekeeda.
Hello friends, today we are going to learn a new topic, emerging trends in selling. Selling is a very old concept, barter system से चालू हुआ है where people used to exchange goods for goods, then goods for money. Later, many techniques of selling were developed like direct selling, marketplace होता था जहाँ पे selling होता था एंड एडवर्टाइजमेंट होता था तो पर्सन जाके रिटेल शॉप में पूछ के प्रोडक्ट खरीदता था बट आजकल तो बहुत सारे नए टेक्निक्स आए हैं सेलिंग के सो नाउ वी विल लुक इनटू emerging techniques of selling. Social selling. What is social selling? Nowadays, you find so many social medias like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. People are putting their ads, people are putting their posts, people are putting their blogs, and this is one type of selling. Use of digital technology. Technology like mobile phones and laptops, internet, social sites, again ATM machines, debit cards, credit cards, all have absolutely changed the selling scenario. A person sitting in India can order a book from America, from Amazon, and it is so easy to pay through Paytm or using a debit card or a credit card. So this is the latest trend in selling. Next point is global challenges. What are global challenges? Let me take an example. I have already shared this example with you and my guys have enjoyed. I have received comments कि मैम ऐसे ही examples देते रहो क्योंकि topic अच्छे से समझ में आता है. For example, a vada pav wala, if he is selling his vada pav at the station and near that stall you have McDonald's who is selling 20 rupees aloo tikki. The vada pav wala is selling vada pav at 15 rupees. Then he also has a competition from 20 rupees aloo tikki burger. So to sell his product more, what he may do? He may reduce his price to 12 rupees after McDonald's has come in because people think paying 5 rupees more and buying an aloo tikki would be better. So many small people, this is the very small example, but many small entrepreneurs, small retail shops are facing lot of global competition from chain of restaurants, from malls which have now entered the Indian market. CRM, customer relationship management, managing good relations with your customers, maintaining good communication with them is very important for retaining and growing your customer database because competitors are also doing that and your customers may switch to your competitors if you don't maintain good relations with them. Salesforce Diversity. What is Salesforce Diversity? If suppose I get a sales force of say 100 salesmen, everybody has different dialect, everybody has a different language, everybody has a different skill. Of course, that is creativity. Suppose if I appoint 100 salesmen to sell my product, say product X, all these 100 people have come from different background, they are from different culture, they have different language and dialects, but I have to train them all to communicate in Hindi and English. This is a challenge because it is difficult task. Of course creativity khud ka hoga, but basic communication has to be taught, training has to be given. So dealing with Salesforce diversity is also a challenge, but it is very common that companies are tackling this problem very effectively. Our next point is team selling approach. Yes, selling is not a one-man job. Always it requires group efforts, team efforts. I have seen even to sell, take an example of credit card, even to sell a credit card, we require a team. there is a team manager, then there are telecallers. These callers call the people, convince about the credit card and send the salesperson to their office or their home. There, the salesperson convinces the person to buy the credit card, collects the payment. Until the payment is received, the sale is not closed. So this is a group effort of the team leader, telecallers, payment collectors and the salesperson. So for selling any product, it is a team effort. Say to sell a branded product also, it is a team effort from the CEO to the smallest employee, to the advertising department, to the people who are doing the ad for the firm. Everybody matters. So it is a challenge, but very well managed by marketers. The last point is ethical issues and social issues. This is an upcoming trend. Marketers are using children in advertisement. I don't want to comment anything about this, but it is always said that a child, when used in advertising, becomes materialistic, and materialistic people are not happy as spiritual people. So, all these are ethical issues, and a marketer has to focus on all of them. I hope you understood the topic. If you like my videos, stay in tune with Ekeeda and subscribe Ekeeda. Thank you.